Hello, Namaskara. In this video, we are going to see how you can create a rental agreement with Realtimate. So in this video, we are going to walk you through 5 easy steps to create a rental agreement. So let's get started. So the first step in this video that we are going to see is how you can start a new rental agreement. To start a new rental agreement, you can send hi on this WhatsApp number or scan the QR code, or you can directly log in to www.realtimate.in, and from there you will be able to start a new rental agreement. Once you are on your dashboard, you can scroll down and start a new rental agreement by clicking here in the create new section, or you can even use the side menu and click this new rental button, which will prompt you to this new page. Now we move to the second step, and in this step we will add the basic agreement details. Once you are on this page, you can enter the basic details of the property. So we will say it is a gated property. Then we will say that my role is going to be the owner's agent, and then we click next. Here we have to enter the address of the property. So I will enter the address of the property. Moving on to the next part, here we have to enter the property schedule. So all the description of the property will go in here. I click save. Once you click save, you will be able to review what you've just added. If you want to edit, you can click this button. So now the second step is also complete. Moving on to the third step. So now to enter the information of the tenant, just scroll down on the same page, and here you can see there's a phone number dialog where you can enter the phone number of the tenant. So let's enter the phone number. Then you will be prompted to enter the PAN number. So PAN number is optional, but it is recommended that you add the PAN number. So we'll add it here. We'll go next. You can see the first name and the last name. Now here you will have to select a signature method for the agreement. So there are two options. You can select Aadhaar signature or you can select email signature. For Aadhaar signature, you have to make sure that the tenant, the owner, and everybody involved have access to their Aadhaar OTP so they can receive the Aadhaar OTP to be able to sign it. And similarly, if you select email signature, then make sure that people have access to their email so that they can receive an OTP over there and they will be able to sign. So we'll select Aadhaar signature for this agreement. We move next, and you can see the address of the tenant here. So this is how you add the tenant. Now let's add the owner as well. So we enter the phone number, then we enter the PAN number, then we check if the name is correct. Again, we have to select a signature method. Make sure to select the same signature method as you have done for the tenant and click save. Now moving on to the next section, we will add the furnitures and fittings. That will be the part of property. So you can increase the number of any item you want, or you can add a custom item as well. So let's add a dressing mirror as a custom item, and let's say there will be two dressing mirrors. Moving on to the next section, you can add any tenant side agents if you want. The process is very similar. You just click here and you enter their phone number. Similarly, you can add owner side agents. Right now for this agreement, we are the owner side agent. So the third step is now complete. Moving on to the fourth step, we will add rent information, background verification, and other stuff. So let's get started. Now let's enter the desired information here. We will select a lease start date. So you can select any date you want when the agreement shall begin. Now you can pick a lock-in period. Let's say if we will pick 9-month lock-in period, and then you click next. This will get you to a new page. Here you can add custom terms and conditions if you want. So as you can see, two terms are already added here. Check out our other video on how to do that. In this video, we'll skip this. You can select the rent deposit account and add a bank account here for the owner. Similarly, you can specify if the maintenance is included in the rent. You can specify the agreement period. So by default, it is selected as 11 months. So here you can specify the rent increment percentage, the notice period, the value of each stamp. If you want to add a PDF of all the furniture and fittings, then you can do that by using this file picker here. Specify the penalty. You can specify the deposit deadline, the rent due date, and when you're happy, you can click next. Now you will be prompted to the last page. Here you can add the background verification. So all you have to do is select the tenant and select who will pay for this background verification. That is how you add the background verification. Finally, you just accept the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. and click review. This will prompt you to a new page. Here you can review the entire rental agreement that you've created. So all the details that we've added are here. As you can see, make sure to check it out. If you have any corrections, you can click this edit button and edit the agreement, or you can click this send button. Once you click the send button, a draft mode of this agreement is created. So the fourth step is also complete. Now moving on to the last step. Now in the last step, we will send the agreement to all the stakeholders. To do that, just click on this agreement that you created, and then you have to scroll down to your action items. As you can see here, there's an action item which says, when you are ready, please click here to share the agreement. So we'll click here, and this will pop up this dialog here, and then I can click confirm, and now the agreement will be shared with others. So as you can see, all the stakeholders will get an email like this. So a new rental agreement is created. Here the PDF of the rental agreement is attached, and you have various actions according to your role. I have also received an WhatsApp message which says a new rental agreement is created and a copy has been sent to all parties. Similar to the email, I am able to see various actions. And if you want to download the agreement as a PDF, then you can do that by scrolling down here. Here in the agreement/document section, you can see there's one rental agreement created. All you have to do is press this and then click on this download button. And as you can see, the rental agreement is successfully downloaded in a PDF format. And yeah, that's it. That's how we create a new rental agreement. That's how we share it with everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, then reach out to Realtimate or contact this WhatsApp number. You can follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.